In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your Instagram password on the Instagram app. So here's what you need to do. So first, make sure you open up Instagram and make sure you're logged into your account. Then go to your profile by clicking on the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Once you're there, click on the three lines in the top right hand corner and then go to settings. Then look for security and click on that. And then we can go to password. Once you're in password, it's going to then send you an email to the email address that you have associated with your Instagram account. So click OK. Then go to Gmail and log into that email address. So here we have a reset your password email. We can click on that. We can then go to reset password. And here we can enter in a new password, re-enter that new password. And then all you need to do is click on the blue tick icon in the top right hand corner. And you've now changed your password on Instagram. So that's all you've got to do, guys. If that video helped you out, please do leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.